There. Okay.
So, welcome to StreamYard, Garth. We are StreamYarding for the first time.
This is my first time
and we
StreamYarding.
have your phone up there because you want to go live.
Yep.
Because this is hot news off the press.
This is really hot news.
This is hot news.
We're getting it all out there.
We're getting it. Oh my gosh. Okay. So
why are we here?
We are here to talk about essential oils. Never have I ever experienced a product that is so passion-inducing to the people.
That's a great way to put it.
I think they call themselves oilers.
That's what
I think they do. Yep. Tell me if I'm right about that or wrong, but where are my oilers? I think is what you say. We're going to talk about essential oils and what LiveGood is launching on Monday. And this is going to completely disrupt a billions of dollar industry, the essential oils industry. And we are here to share the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
Okay. This is what I want to say before we go. And this is not an apology, but this is setting the stage.
Right.
When someone is telling the truth, or there is an innovation, and they're like, hey, we have found something better. That is not bashing. Okay? That's not bashing.
Yeah.
You're going to find we're not bashing Doterra here today, and we're not bashing Young Living.
Yep.
We are bashing their prices.
Yes.
But we are not bashing their products.
Correct.
They have awesome essential oils.
Yes, they do.
Awesome. Yep. Okay? So let that be said.
They kind of set the benchmark, if you will.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like we want to be like, we had one in our cupboard. Well, maybe two, because they're like $90. But okay, anyways. Okay. So imagine this. Imagine that I could hand you Doterra oils or Young Living oils and say, I have found something that I can show you is the same product or better. So I've got Doterra and Young Living, and then I've got this thing.
Yeah.
Imagine if I came to you and said, same thing, same, like put it through the lab.
Apples to apples.
Same.
Yeah.
One is $80 and one is $8. You cannot tell me you wouldn't choose the $8 one. So I want you to listen with an open mind, because that's what we're about to throw down here.
Yep.
Okay. Imagine, I had one more example.
Okay.
I've got diamonds on my mind, honey.
I know you do.
I
know you do.
I'm such a brat. I want a really big diamond upgrade for our 25th anniversary.
It's right around the corner.
And imagine, okay, what are the 4 C's of diamonds, honey?
Cut, clarity, carat, and
color.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Imagine you had a diamond, a 5-carat diamond. I'm big boned. I think that would look good on me. Okay. 5-carat diamond and a 5-carat diamond. Mm-hmm. And you went to your gemologist and it was the exact cut, carat, quality, and color.
Clarity.
Cut. Yes.
Yeah.
Imagine same.
Yeah.
One was $50,000. It's kind of the going rate, $10,000 for a carat. And one, well, depending on the cut, clarity, quality, and color. No, whatever, carat and color.
You got it.
And one was $10,000. $50,000 or $10,000. Same diamond. Which can you imagine? You're like, no, my diamond was pulled from the lab, from the earth that has been,
took millions of years.
Who knows?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We're not gemologists.
We know nothing about that. But it was my diamond was cut from the earth where the longitude and the latitude create a magical miracle of something. No, you'd be like, give me the $10,000 diamond. Okay. So that is how I want to set the stage. Okay. Yep. So share with us. I'm going to show them the picture.
Okay.
Go ahead and you can go, honey.
So we have actually learned quite a bit about essential oils. As Aaron mentioned, we're not oilers, but we've learned quite a bit about that. So one of the things we're going to do here. Yep. One of the things we're going to do here is we're going to compare our pack, what you see on the screen right there, directly to the packs that Doterra and Young Living offer. So it's almost exactly the same as far as the different oils: lavender, frankincense, peppermint. There's a little bit of difference. Tea tree, yep.
And immunity. So we're going to go over that just a second. I just want you to see the pack that's coming. They're 15 milliliter bottles, the same as Doterra, and I think Young Living, right?
Yeah.
And this 6-pack is launching on Monday, and it is lavender, frankincense, tea tree, lemon, immunity, and peppermint.
Let's show it up there real quick.
Oh, there. See,
there
it's like same.
Yep.
You guys just look at my nose up here. Okay, great. Okay, that's great. Okay, so that's what we're talking about. All right.
The joys of doing dual lives at the same time. So where do you want to go with this?
Okay, so it's pretty much, it's pretty much the same if you compare the oils. The only one that's different is our immunity. It might not be exactly the same as doTERRA's On Guard, but very, very similar. But the other ones are the same: the lavender, the tea tree, the frankincense, the peppermint, and the tea tree.
Apparently, it was a little hard for us to do a comparison exactly of On Guard. It was a little challenging finding out exactly what's in there. But anyways,
okay, so Garth,
which gets to a point we'll make later on.
If you were a member of doTERRA, how much would all of those be?
$209.
$209. Okay, write that down. $209. How much would it be if you were a member of Young Living?
$234.
Okay,
pretty close.
We need a drum roll for the members of LiveGood. This entire pack of 6 oils is how much, Garth?
$49.95. So those prices, we just said, that's the members for everyone: member of doTERRA, member of Young Living, and member of LiveGood. Those are the membership prices. So
because we really wanted to compare apples to apples, we didn't want to compare retail to member to all the things. So again, they have awesome quality. We're not bashing their quality. We're bashing their prices. You can quote me on that. We're not bashing quality. We're bashing prices, because if you got apples to apples, that's what we're talking about.
So here's the other thing we'll point out. Our retail price, if you're not a member of LiveGood, our retail price is $69.95, which is about a third of their membership price. So again, we'll just round it. $70 for us retail, $209 and $234 for doTERRA and Young Living. Membership for us is $50. So even our retail price is significantly lower than, I'm going to just say it, our competitors.
Okay, so this is what's happening. The moment we post about an oil, the oilers get in our inbox and Facebook Messenger, and our chat, our comments, which is fine, and say, where's all your certificates of analysis? And what we've learned is they want these from us, which we have. It's live on the website right now. Certificates of analysis for all 6, live on the website. You scroll down on the homepage of livegood.com, bottom left, you click on certificates analysis, boom, bada bing, bada boom. Okay. But they don't post their certificates of analysis. It's just, anyways, we love that you're asking, because that's what our claim to fame is. Our research and our tests for potency and purity. I'm learning all these words: potency and purity. Okay.
We want you to know exactly what's in our products, and we want to prove to you that what we say is in the products is actually in the products. So we make it front and center. Anybody can go look at it. You don't have to be a member. You don't have to be an affiliate. Literally anyone can go to livegood.com, scroll to the bottom, click on certificates analysis, and that's for all of our products, but especially the essential oils, because there is so much banter out there about how pure, as you were mentioning, how pure is it? How potent is it? Where did it come from? Blah, 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 all this sort of stuff. We have it all there. You can go find out for yourself.
It's all good. We love it. We want to have the best. And here's the thing. Most human beings want the best. Don't we want the best? We now have the best where the masses can finally afford them. Okay, so
do we want to talk about the story real quick about our sourcing, or save that for later?
We could save it, honey.
Okay, all right.
Okay, so let's look at doTERRA and Young Living. They are the 2 biggest network marketing companies in the essential oil arena. Okay, doTERRA did about $1 billion in sales last year. 2022, because the 23 data is not out yet. So 2022. Young Living did 1.5 billion.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The math's okay. Let's talk about
so those are
math.
big numbers. Those
math
are big numbers.
Isn't always math. So,
well,
okay. Tell me what I mean.
Numbers can hide certain things. So here's the thing. We now know that they're selling their products for about 4 times what it actually costs or what they should be sold at. So while they look like they're $1 billion company, because there's that 4x markup, the 4 times the markup, really it's about a $250 million company, or in Young Living's case, a $350 million company. Now, how do we know that they're charging so much more money? Well, part of it is what we talked about earlier. We're selling our 6-pack for $50. They're selling their 6-pack for over 200. So there's part of where we're getting that 4x, but we'll go into some more details later about what's happened in the industry where we have, for lack of a better term, adjusted the prices and they haven't.
We're going to walk you through it.
We'll walk you through that later. Yep.
I mean, if you think about it, does it not blow your mind that companies are selling these vials of essential oils for $95
That's
for
crazy.
one little bottle?
Okay. 15 mil.
I can't afford the grapes at the grocery store. Can I get an amen? Okay. Who can, I sound like an owl. The oily owl or something.
Yeah,
okay.
There you go.
So
the great oily owl.
Okay. This is what blew my mind. Our CEO, Ben Glinsky, launched these yesterday and told us all about it. And he said he actually wanted to sell them for less than $49.95 because he knows that's more than what they even cost. Mm-hmm. But he was worried that the market would think we're just liar pants on fire weirdos because it's so cheap.
Yeah.
So in the future, he said, I really want to lower the price even more, probably $5 or so. So, in the future, it'll probably be less, but he knew no one would even trust us if it was less than $49.95. But
it's already ridiculous at $50 for 6 of them.
He thought the world would not take us seriously. And I think that's an interesting, of course, like if you don't know that the model has changed.
And here's the thing, there's probably people watching right now that don't think we're serious, that it's $50 for 6 of them. But again, go check out the certificates.
They don't believe that it's good quality if it's that cheap. Right, okay, so here we're going to walk you through how is that even possible? Okay, so and we will say the stories that those other companies have been telling and their reps, they've been telling the world and their reps is wild.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Essential oils at this point in time on planet Earth are not that expensive. They're not. Okay, so let's talk about the story of frankincense because this is what oilers do. They talk about frankincense but it's a good story. Okay, so tell the story, Annie.
So the reason of so frankincense has kind of gone through a similar market fluctuation, if you will, as CBD oil. So when they first came out, they were very expensive. So
CBD was.
Yeah, just CBD was. And frankincense was for each of the story, but frankincense used to cost thousands of dollars per kilogram because there was a scarcity. There just were not that many people, not that many growers of frankincense. So the supply was very low. So common economics, supply is low, demand is high. What happens? The price goes way up. So a lot of farmers caught wind of this and began growing frankincense because there was a lot of money in it. So supply went up. So now there are, fast forward a few years from where frankincense used to be, there are now a lot of growers, manufacturers, and suppliers, the prices have dropped over 80% in the last 3 to 4 years.
That's just a stone cold fact, as Aaron Quarry would say.
Yeah.
80% drop in what it costs to manufacture frankincense. And Doterra is still selling that for how much?
Well, they never lowered their cost.
No, 78 and 84 for Young Living.
Yeah. $78 frankincense for Doterra, $84 Young Living for frankincense. So they, even though the market prices came down because the supply went up, they never lowered their prices. In fact, I don't know this for sure. I'm just going to put it out there though. I'm going to guess they probably raised their prices. Most companies that we've been experienced with over the years all raise their prices. And here we're already telling you that the owner wants to lower the price in the not too distant future. So,
you know how we've been sharing how every product really in network marketing costs on average $8 to $12 to make? Same for essential oils.
Yeah.
And it might not have always been that way, but like we just shared with you the story, That's what's happened with CBD. That's why our CBD in LiveGood is $26, not $160.
Yeah.
The last company we were at, it was $160.
And again, our certificates of analysis are there to show you that it's pure.
True.
And it's the quantity we tell you that's in there. It's not watered down. It's not diluted or anything like that. So
okay, let's tell them the fun Christmas story.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So
the tale of the Christmas oils.
So we were originally told right before Thanksgiving, actually. Yeah, because we were kind of hoping we would have these for Black Friday, Thanksgiving, but we were told right before Thanksgiving that the essential oil, we've known the essential oils have been coming for a while, but we didn't know when. So we were hoping Black Friday, they didn't come. We were told expected it in the first week or two of December.
Everyone gets oils for Christmas.
Yeah, so
is what everyone's saying. Okay,
yeah,
you get an oil, and you get an oil, and you get an oil.
The LiveGooders were super excited about being able to gift these oils people because of the price point. They could gift them. Anyways, they didn't come. We didn't find out till after Christmas that they are finally ready to go. They'll be alive this Monday, and we found out why. So again, we put our product out there for people to look at, to go get, and we test them. We provide all the testing results. So here's what ended up happening. So we want to ensure that we've sourced the highest quality and most pure ingredients on the planet. So we got a sample of the tea tree in, gave it to our lab for them to test. It was supposed to come from Australia, but when they tested it, they found that these particular tea tree leaves came from China. That's not what we asked for. That wasn't the purity and potency that we wanted.
It failed the lab test. Yep.
Failed.
The test for purity and potency.
Yep, it failed. So anyways, we had to resource it, hence some of the delay. That also happened to us with the peppermint. So the original peppermint that we got turned out to be like bogus peppermint. It was demethylized corn mint.
Can you imagine?
No idea.
The gall.
The gall of that supplier.
Demethylized corn mint?
Yeah, exactly.
When you think you're getting...
So again, fail. We went back and we got the highest quality peppermint actually sourced from here in the United States of America. Again, all that's on our website. You can go get the information of where we get this stuff. So how does that play into this? The company could have very easily have said, we sourced the highest quality and made it available for Black Friday or made it available for Christmas and made a buck or two or made a whole bunch of bucks or two. So there's a lot of excitement.
Because also the industry's not that regulated.
Yeah.
Really.
Yep.
You kind of say whatever you want.
Yeah, exactly. But we are so adamant about quality in our products that the company didn't even release it. They basically said, this doesn't meet our level of quality, doesn't meet our standards. We're not going to release it. We don't care if it's Christmas. We don't care if it's Black Friday. We don't care if we miss out on these sales. We're not putting our names on an inferior product. So they held back. Here we are now in January and we're getting it. We're super excited.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah,
I love the transparency, the integrity, the ethics, the morality. Okay, so let's talk about another pillar around all of this. The news of the oil industry here. When you look at business, kind of the number one expense is overhead. And really, in any business, it kind of comes down to the overhead comes down to your payroll. Yep. How many employees are you paying? And that is going to affect, of course, the price of the product. Okay, so get this. Okay, so if the biggest cost of doing business is overhead, which is employees, we saw three numbers for how many employees Doterra has. We saw the number 3,000, 8,800, and 4,461. So we're not quite sure which one's correct, but let's just lowball it and say it's 3,000 to 4,000 employees. Yep. Okay. Young Living has 3,300 employees.
Now, real quick, these are not affiliates or representatives. These are actual employees on payroll, health benefits, all those other things that come with it.
Okay. So let's guess how many employees LiveGood has. We have 7 customer support.
Yeah.
We could probably name, if I learned their names, I could probably.
Well, we know a couple of them.
10 in the warehouse.
Yep.
And 3 programmers for a total of 20 employees. Okay. Okay. Let's assume that the Doterra employees were paid $30,000 a year, which is
pretty low.
Terrible.
Yeah,
okay, let's just assume How much is that in payroll if I were to math, Garth?
Well, if we look at Young Living with 3,300 employees at $30,000 a year, that's basically $1 million. $1 million in just payroll.
It's 100 million. I left the mathing to you.
I did. On that estimate, the calculator put the decimal in the wrong spot.
It is $100 million just in payroll.
Yep. Where does that money come from?
The product prices.
The product
going
markup.
up. Okay.
Product markup. Yep.
Let's share some fun facts about the numbers we did in LiveGood. We just ended year 1.
Yep.
So LiveGood, we did $92 million in sales.
Yep.
We paid out over $50 million. And by we, I mean LiveGood. We do not own LiveGood.
Yeah, exactly.
We are not bragging about LiveGood. No, we are bragging about LiveGood.
Yeah, we're bragging a little bit.
I mean, that is the facts of the facts. I'm so proud of that. Like, here's the thing. LiveGood knows how to build a successful business. LiveGood knows how to have low overhead. LiveGood knows how to have low margins and still be profitable.
Yes.
We will be rolling out 200 products in the next year or so. Like, we are just getting started.
Yep.
Okay, imagine that the essential oils that we have in LiveGood, imagine expanding into other product lines that use essential oils like roll-ons and shampoo, like all the things that essential oils are in. That's where we're headed.
Yep.
That's where we're headed, everybody. So this is just the beginning. We're just starting with 6 and quickly expanding to additional products with these essential oils. So we plan on domination. Yeah, we do.
Absolutely.
Essential oil industry domination coming up.
And we're getting the word out there that it's the essential oil industry right now is, I don't know, it's wackadoo. To use one of your famous words, it's wackadoo.
It's a little wackadoo. It's a little cuckoo, because
that's another one.
Here's the thing. They haven't adjusted.
They've adjusted in the wrong direction.
And it's just not okay. So, I always say, I don't wish ill on anybody. We're not here. Garth and I are not here. We know the heart of our CEO. We're not here to take you down.
Yeah.
We are here to unapologetically share the innovation that is LiveGood.
Yeah.
And when you know better or you have better, you can do better. So that's what's happening.
I think along those lines, just to kind of summarize how we started this with, is we're not saying LiveGood and Young Living and Doterra have terrible products. They have amazing products. Absolutely amazing. We know a bunch of people
ours
that
are the same. It's amazing.
Yeah. We know a bunch of people that love them and use them and have benefits from them. We're saying we have the same thing. Our facts, our data, our science is there for you to go and check it out yourself. The difference is we're pricing ours at what it actually costs to make it, not what it actually costs to have tremendous markups and profit and all that other sort of stuff that comes with it. We're giving it to you for the price it cost us to make it.
So that was awesome. So we'll end with the mission of LiveGood. The mission of LiveGood is to help people get healthy and stay healthy in an affordable way. We don't believe that health should just be for the wealthy people. We believe everyone deserves to be healthy. They've figured out a way to give premium medical grade, pharmaceutical grade, health and wellness products at wholesale pricing. LiveGood is the world's fastest growing membership. I believe the greatest membership on the internet.
Yeah.
It's $9.95 a month to be a member and get all of your
what you want, when you want,
products at wholesale pricing.
One thing I want to kind of wrap up with here, because you mentioned the pharmaceutical grade quality, and that has a lot of weight behind it. The reason why we can say that is our products come with the GMP seal, the good manufacturing process. Go ahead and look that up yourself. It actually is pharmaceutical grade, it's a certification process you go through, everything from the sourcing of the ingredients, literally all the way to the personal hygiene of the employees working there. So it is a tremendous seal that we have on our products to show that it is pure, it is potent, it is quality. You're not paying cheap prices for crap. you're paying cheap prices because it's what it costs to make it, and you're getting a tremendous benefit. So we want people to get healthy, stay healthy, and be able to do it in an affordable way, to dovetail into what you said.
And hey, if you want to make money building a business, we do that too. So thanks for joining.
Yep.
Happy oiling up out there. I don't know what we're going to, all the things,
yep.
all the things.
Should we do we hope that you go and live good. I don't know. That's not what how would I say that?
Live good and prosper?
Well, that's a little Trekkie-ish, but no, I forgot. It's been so long since I've said it. Something along the lines of, we hope you go and live good.
Okay. Go and live good.
There we go.
Bye.
Right. Bye, everyone.